First cast. No way. No way. Hello and welcome once again to Hoosierback Outdoors. It's been a long time. I have been slacking once again. We've got a special episode for you today. We are going to catch fish off of bridges. We're going to visit a bunch of different bridges today and see if we can catch a fish off the bridge. Now we're going to try everything in our power not to get off the bridge. Tyler's here today. He may break the rules. Anyway, we're going to have a good time, try to catch some fish off all these bridges, and we hope you enjoy it. Remember, if you like this kind of thing, smash that subscribe button. Become part of the Hoosierback family. We would really appreciate it. Also, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's hit the creek and see if we can catch something. Alrighty. There's a lot of snags and a lot of rocks to get snagged in, so you will probably lose a lure. I guess I could have showed you what I was starting off with, but never mind. Good luck getting one up on the bridge if you catch one. I'm using those Ned rig heads you gave me, by the way. Already stuck.
He was up in Michigan. Somewhere around, I guess Kevin Van Dam's brother has a bait shop up there.
Yeah.
He caught a 5-pound smallmouth.
Wow.
And I guess his brother has it.
Well, looks like I'm going to be re-rigging. Dang it. Talked myself into it, didn't I? Okay, let's try this again. Did you get hung up this time? Oh. I about did it again. I threw it in the tree that time. There we go. Seriously? Might be running out of lures. Oh my goodness. Come on. Afraid I need to try something else. I'm not giving up though. I'll go put another one on. I'll try this side, see if I can get hung up over here. Yep. Wow. Oh, that's why you don't buy Shakespeare. Unreal. Unreal. See that? Of course, I was bending it pretty good. Hey. Yep. Well, I believe we're switching rods. Well, as a lot of you have suggested, we got us some Panther Martins. I have it on my Lew's here. My little Lew's laser light. A Panther Martin, a little yellow with red spots, and it's caught on my wedding ring. See if we can get a bite off of this. Maybe too cold, maybe too early. I don't know. I'm gonna try my best to stay on the bridge. Maybe hard to do. Throwing downstream like this, you can reel it really slow when you got an inline spinner, and it'll still work because of all the water flow going past it. Yep. I mean, broke it. Hey, hey! I did it. I did it. Let's see what kind of fish we got here. I feel like it's a giant creek chub.
Better enough.
Look at there, on the Panther Martin inline spinner, and he released himself. Well, there we go. Little tiny Panther Martin. I should have grabbed the rest. I got two more sitting on that desk at the house. Wow. I thought there was something pecking at it. Hey. Now, Tyler, you gotta catch a fish here. We'll clear this bridge and move on to the next one. Yes. That makes me happy. It was a creek chub, but I don't care. Well, if those are biting, something else surely has to bite. Hey. That was a slow bite. Slow bite. That just looks like a spot. Looks like a spotted bass. That was a slow bite. I'm gonna break my line here. Yeah. Well, maybe it's a good thing that I got rid of the Ned rig. Or 3 Ned rigs. Spotted bass, little feller. That was really different, that bite was. Nice. I was pulling it and you could feel the resistance from the blade, and all of a sudden it just got heavy like I got into some grass. That's kind of what the bite was. Nice little spotted bass. Look at them teeth. Little patchy spot on the tooth. Nice. He's got a little parasite on him. Good job. Tyler, you really got some catching up to do now. Oh, oh. I have no idea what this is. That is a huge creek chub. Good Lord. Man, you talk about catfish bait. That is flathead candy. Got some big old leeches on him. Alright, I'm gonna shake you off, little buddy. There you go. Now he smacked that really hard. Well, we got that creek knocked off. This little community over here called Kale. Not a lot of people's heard about it, actually. I think even the first time I said something to Tyler about kale, he's like, where's that? So not a lot of people know about this place out here. But anyway, we're gonna move on down the road and try another little spot, and we'll see you there. Okay, I've kind of failed to show you what I'm using here, but I was using a Ned rig to begin with, but as you've seen, I didn't just break all 3 Ned rigs, I broke my whole fishing pole. Looks like it's time to get a hold of shopcarls.com. Oh, shameless plug there. I am using a Panther Martin, which I've been told to use many times and never had a chance to. Got some Panther Martins off of shopcarls.com. Got like 3 different colors. So far this is what they've been biting on today. We'll try this for a little bit and see if we can catch something. This creature's really good. First cast. No way. No way. First cast. No. Spotted bass, and he swallowed it. I mean, it was like on the drop. I made like 2 cranks and he was there. Yeah, he did. That's why he hit it on the drop, so I think that's what happened.
Okay, so at least I can touch one today.
You'll get it, you'll get it. That's where he was. Little spotted bass. Pretty little feller. Got him bleeding a little bit. We'll get him back in the water. Oh, don't hit sideways. Oh, he swam off good. And that's doing the same thing mine's doing. And yours looks just like mine in the water. See a little bait fish right here. This bridge is a little bit busier than the last one we was at.
I'd love to get over there.
Yeah, me too. I think about that every time I'm here. Let's make some cast over here and see if we can get hung up. I know that there's some structure down there because I've gotten stuck in it before.
Back over there. At least I thought I seen it.
Yeah, it's right there behind it. It's right behind it, looking at it. I mean, there it is. Got it. Oh, I think he's just getting the tail. Try it again.
I think it's a spotted bass.
Yeah, just give him a little bit when he comes up there behind it. There he is, he got it. It disappeared that time. You better tighten your drag up. Nice spotted bass. That is awesome. That's a nice one. Good little spotted bass there. That is pretty cool. Well, we have cleared this bridge as well. Beautiful creek here. Man, I'm so glad it's getting closer to summertime because these places are so much fun to fish, and the diversity of the species of fish out of these creeks is amazing. We've cleared this. Tyler finally got on the board. Way to go. And with one of those old standby lures that we were using last year to catch everything out of the creek. And it was pretty incredible to watch that lure in the water as the creek water was flowing by it, and I could see the bass. I don't know if he could. I have my polarized glasses and I could see the bass come up behind it and just suck up that bait. That was pretty cool. He tried 3 times and finally got it on the 4th time. Usually bass don't come back for something like that, but he did. And Tyler finally got on the board. It's pretty exciting. We are gonna head into town. I gotta get some pushing water for this vehicle of mine, and then maybe a snack, maybe some coffee, and then we're gonna head another place there in town. So let's hit the road and we'll see you there. Well, here we are, spot number 3. Now I'm gonna tell you this, that bridge is way too narrow to stand on. We would get ran over, and that's pretty busy area. So we will probably fish along this bank, and there's a little bridge up here we're gonna check out. This is at the local golf course here in town. Not many people out here walking his dog, but that's about it. But we're gonna try to catch some more fish. See if we can get anything of size. I mean, we've got some nice stuff this morning. A lot of stuff's pretty small. Stay tuned. Let's see if this is the color they want. He must be underneath there. Did he just come up or what?
Yeah.
And he seen you and turned around?
Yep.
Oh, there he is. There he is right there.
Yep. Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Hanging out under them long.
Yeah. Gotta be here close.
He's way over there.
Oh, there he is. I didn't even see him.
I didn't see a big fish.
Oh, did you see that hole he went in? He just went in that hole right there. He's got a hole up underneath that bank. Sure did.
Something big just swam under there.
Well, we did not get skunked. All that I really came away from this place is with this. Let me show you. That's about all I found there. I think Tyler found a golf ball too. Of course, there was a bunch in the creek you could see, but I am not getting in that water today. It's way too cold. If you would like some Hoosierback Outdoor merchandise like this, there will be a link in the description below. Go check that out. You'll be supporting us, and you'll be supporting a local small business here in the community. What I caught most of my fish today on was the Panther Martin spinner. I'll show it to you here. This little job right there. You can get that and many more creek baits in the mystery tackle box. If you would like to try out mystery tackle box for yourself, there will be a link in the description. If you want to get a subscription for mystery tackle box in the panfish edition like I have, you can get your first box for as little as $10 by using the code Hoosierback. The code Hoosierback at checkout, and you will get your first box for as little as $10. Thank you so much once again for coming by. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. But until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. We'll see y'all later.